2000 F750 Crane Truck, Knuckle Boom Crane Truck, Hiab 095. Check this out. Look at that. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 controls. These are the outriggers right here. You got one on either side. These pull out for as far as probably about here. Right here. You got a ladder for the bed, 18-foot bed. If you buy this truck, I'll allow you to buy this for $600. I bought it for way more money than that, but that's for pallets. Look at that beautiful crane. Let's see how far it extends out. I believe it's about 20 feet. Maybe more. Actually, you know what? It might be more. Because this bed, it goes a little bit beyond this bed. In this direction. The crane comes all the way around to the front of the truck. I believe there's one way it's got more movement rotationally than the other way. I don't quite remember which way, but it moves pretty much. You could get 360 around the truck. You just have to pick one side that goes a little more of an extension or a circular rotation. It's a nice Caterpillar engine. Let's have a look here. Dual tank, dual fuel tank. Got a storage compartment over there, pretty large. Heavy springs. I believe it's 33 or 34,000 pound GVWR. It's got a tow hitch. It's got strap mounts. Really solid truck. Let's check the miles. It's got 110,000 miles. Very low mileage for a truck this big. Air gauge, radio doesn't, I believe it works, but you need to buy the compartment. I didn't want my employees using the radio while they work. I thought it's distracting, and I honestly prefer to have a phone mount. It's got a 7-speed spicer. Sorry about the mess a little bit here. We should clean it out for you. And the PTO, it's a manual transmission. You got the clutch right there, PTO. Pretty simple truck. It's got air. You got to pump this by hand for the air seat. Armrest, cup holder. This crane folds in. Let me show you real quick. You gotta line those up and then start folding in. You gotta make sure that that compartment's all the way in like this. There you go. Fold it right in. Make sure you clear the cab or else you'll damage it. See that hook right there? That lines up to the hook. That's good. And then right here, this sits on that piece of metal right there. And then you extend extend it out a little bit so it doesn't hit the cab, and it's folded. Nice truck. Let's check the tires on it. I believe you may need to get the front tires. The rear tires are nice and got plenty of tread on them. I believe you might need to get 2 front tires for this truck. It's not too bad. Maybe not. It depends. Your call. 2 tanks. All right, folks. Thank you.